Hello my people, welcome again to Glatory. Today's video I brought you another new recipe. This is how you can make your own dry fish. Yes, we call it Mangala. So this is very easy recipe you can follow. Yes, some people said, oh, I normally use catfish. Yes, this is not catfish. Yes, I use another type of fish for this recipe, but you can use catfish. If you can get catfish, it's still the same process. Yes, you can see how it looks. Very easy. If you can do it, why do you need to spend money buying? Don't rely on stuff, but try to make yours. So this is the fish I'll be using for this recipe. This is quite big fish, very heavy, not easy to turn around. So you can see. So first I need to remove the scale. So you can see I did it off camera. So I have to cut off the fin. This fish is quite big, very heavy, So if you cannot get this kind of fish, you can still use the catfish. Any fish of your choice, it still works. So I'm just showing you how you can make your own dry fish. So this is the cleaning process. Don't worry, my sink is clean. So because this fish is heavy, I cannot place it in a bowl. So I have to place it inside my sink in order to give it a good wash. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. This is Glatory. Please remember to subscribe, like my video, please comment and share. Thank you. So I'll be cutting it out. I started with the head. This fish is quite big, not easy to cut. But I prefer to use the scissors to do this because it's more handy for me. Yes, you might ask me, why don't you use a knife? I prefer to use scissors in doing the cutting. So the fish head is out. Now I will do the body. And see how big this fish is. Now it's time to use my knife. So remember to cut the size according to what you want. You can see very meaty. So this is after cutting. I have to give it another wash. Okay, now I'm putting it on the rack for oven dry. So make sure you place a kind of wire rack on top in order to drain off the oil that will come out and the water that will come out, okay? So this will help you to get a perfect dry fish. So this is all I can dry now. Then other ones, I have to use it for something else. You can see, I have to put in my oven. So this is after 3 hours of drying this fish. So this is what I got. Very dried. And it's so tasty. Very yummy. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? Why do you need to keep relying on store-bought while you can make your own? You can see how it came out so well. Will you be giving this a try? So I hope you'll get to try this. After watching this video, if you still rely on buying from the store, it's up to you. But if you can do it, why do you need to buy? At least you're sure of what you're putting inside your body. So remember, if you're seeing my video for the first time, subscribe, like my video and comment. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tagging along. Thank you for watching and bye.